Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by building a firm base. Crush 200 G crackers or 1/2 cups cookies and stir with 6 tablespoons melted butter until damp clumps form. Press that mixture evenly into a 9 springform pan, compacting for a flat edge. Once done, chill the crust 15-20 minutes so it sets while you assemble filling. Meanwhile, bring 450 G cream cheese to room temperature. This prevents lumps and helps smooth incorporation with chocolate later, so don't skip it. Now make the filling. Melt 200 G semi-sweet chocolate and let it cool to about 40-45 degrees so it won't seize the cream cheese. You beat 450 G softened cream cheese with 150 G sugar until smooth, then add 2 eggs one at a time and 1 tsp vanilla for structure and flavor. Once smooth, fold in the cooled chocolate gently. This keeps air in the batter and prevents cracking. Make sure textures are uniform. Visible streaks mean more folding, not more speed. You'll bake at 325 degrees for 45-55 minutes. Edges should be set while the center remains a bit jiggly. That carryover finishes it. Once done, turn oven off and cool inside with the door ajar for 1 hour to reduce shock. Then chill the cake 4+ hours for proper texture. If a crack appears, don't panic. Spread a thin chocolate ganache or press extra crumb over it to conceal and add moisture. For dense centers, check that eggs weren't overbeaten next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.